2 crore per month. You heard it right. This man made 24 crores in a year, and that too just by using social media. He is Mr. Ankur Warikoo, and I'm sure that if you love watching content about money and finance, you must have already subscribed to his channel. Indeed, he's a great YouTuber, entrepreneur, and a content creator, but how he is making 2 crore rupees per month, that's freaking huge money, right? But how he is making that, let's find out in this video. Well, to find out whether this number is correct or not, we researched for hours, got information from LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Wikipedia, and possibly every single site I've gone through to know this man. So if you also want to know the secret to make 2 crore rupees every single month using social media, this video is for you. Must watch till the last, because in the last of this video I will be revealing the biggest income source for this man which social media has opened up. So let's get started. Ankur Warikoo is one of the top YouTubers in India, a businessman and an investor with a total following of 12 million followers across all social media platforms. Particularly, YouTube has 4.53 million followers, LinkedIn has 4 million followers, and Instagram has 3.5 million followers currently. Now let's dive into the secrets and know how the hell this man is making 24 crore rupees in a single year. So Ankur Warikoo owns a company by the name of Zaan Webs Veda Private Limited, which has 3 major business models. The first is content and community marketing business, the second is digital courses business, and the third is investing business where he invests in new startups basically. And because all of his business models, Ankur Warikoo holds 6 income streams for himself. The first one is social media ads. Although Ankur doesn't run ads on his YouTube channel, but if these ads were enabled, this revenue could go up to approximately 10 to 12 lakh rupees per month. So let's deep dive into the second income stream of Ankur Warikoo. Ankur makes lakhs and crores of rupees through his affiliate income. In 2021, Ankur Warikoo's affiliate income was approximately 26 lakhs 33,685 rupees. And in the next year, in 2022, he made around 60 lakhs 63,496 rupees. And in the year 2023, it was a dip in earnings, but he still made 56 lakhs. For those who do not know about affiliate marketing business model, let me tell you, it's a simple incentive-based business model where you promote third party's product or service, and if because of your promotion any customer buys through your referral link, you will be given a certain percentage of that revenue from the company itself. And if you want a dedicated video on this topic, do let me know in the comment section. Now comes the third income source of Ankur Warikoo, and that is training sessions and speaking fees. Ankur Warikoo has done many corporate trainings in renowned MNCs such as Microsoft, Adobe, American Express, Barclays, and many more. So in 2021, he made approx 54 lakhs, which increased exponentially in 2022 to a figure of 2.3 crores. And in 2023, he made around 2 crores and 15 lakh rupees. Another income stream for Ankur Warikoo is his books royalty income. Currently, he has wrote 3 books: Do Epic Shit, Get Epic Shit Done, and Make Epic Money. So the first book was launched in the year 2022, and in that year, he made an earning of approximately 1 crore and 3 lakh rupees. And in 2023, he made this amount triple, that is 3 crores and 30 lakhs. So if you're still here watching this video, that means that you are serious about your upskilling as well as your growth in terms of money and development. Hence, subscribe to this channel if you found this video valuable, because every week, Tuesday and Friday, we bring up valuable content for you to make your success journey easier. So let's come back to the video and discuss the second last income stream for Ankur Warikoo's business model, that is brand collaboration. In 2021, that was the first year Ankur started brand collaboration, and he made approximately 5 crores and 58 lakhs, which was a huge number. See, brand collaborations is one such way. If you have a great number of followers on Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, or any other social media, brands will pay you heavily so that their promotion can be done to lakhs and crores of people through you. In 2022, it was doubled and it was freaking 10 crores 50 lakhs, and in 2023, it was 3 crores and 81 lakhs. Too much money, right? But the last and the most heavy income source for Ankur Warikoo is still yet to be discovered, and here it is, the courses selling business. In the recent 2 to 3 years, digital course selling business has exploded in the industry, and many people are making lakhs and crores from this business model. And how much Ankur Warikoo made through this business model, let's decode it. So the courses business is the largest and the biggest income source of Mr. Warikoo's businesses, and currently he have launched 6 courses, and all of them are approximately in the range of 1000 rupees to 2000 rupees. And this business is completely bootstrapped and runs on company's corpus only. That means it is not a funded business. All the money which Ankur Warikoo has made so far, he has put in all of that money into his courses business because he believes that it is the future of education. So let's dive into numbers and calculate how much money he has made through course selling business. In 2021, he sold courses worth rupees 5 crore and 85 lakhs, which grew to a figure of 12 crores and 95 lakhs in 2022. And last year, that is 2023, the number was 14 crores and 21 lakhs. So now let's calculate the total turnover that Ankur Warikoo has made in the last 3 years, that is 21, 22 and 2020. In 2021, it was 12 crores and 14 lakh rupees. In 2022, it was 27 crores and 77 lakh rupees. And in 2023, it was 24 crores and 8 lakh rupees. Can you imagine the amount of money he is making through YouTube, through social media, and basically through all the social media followers? And this is the secret and system which you need to understand right now in 2024 if you want to make lots of money through social media. I know it's too much money, but trust me, it's the start of the content creation business in India. Well, the purpose of this video was to educate you about the social media and the content creation industry, and trust me, it is just a start in India. So if you are a person like me who is aiming to make huge money, you have to digest this fact that right now you have to learn these kind of skills which are relevant in 2024 and onward. Just like social media, YouTubing, courses, these are the skills, these are the industries which are actually being relevant today and after 5 to 7 years, maybe 10 years down the line. So if you like this video and found it valuable for you, do consider subscribing to this channel, because in this channel, we bring up valuable content which will help you and me both to grow together. And do let me know in comments what type of content are you willing to watch from our side, and we will bring it for you. So this is all from my side. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Let's grow together.